Welcome to the Architect's Guide to the AI Big Three. In this video, we will explore the three major AI models and how to use them effectively. It is important to understand that different AI models or brains are designed to serve different functions. Like any task, success in utilizing AI requires you to pick the right tool for the job. Meet your primary AI toolkit, which consists of ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. ChatGPT is known for delivering absolute versatility, acting as a true AI Swiss Army knife. Use ChatGPT for generating quick drafts and for wide-ranging brainstorming sessions. Claude writes with exceptional nuance and a focus on safety, making it a reliable AI for sensitive topics. A prime example of Claude's capability is its use in crafting a heartfelt or complex letter with a natural tone. Gemini connects deeply to your data ecosystem, especially within the Google workspace. Leverage Gemini to analyze data within your Google Sheets and generate insightful visualizations. This chart highlights the primary strengths of each tool: ChatGPT for versatility, Claude for nuance, and Gemini for ecosystem integration. To choose the right tool, map your task to the correct AI: Claude for natural tone, Gemini for Google data analysis, and ChatGPT for quick general ideas. Remember, you are the architect. You control the AI toolkit, so use its unique strengths to your advantage. Choose your primary assistant wisely to maximize your productivity and creativity.